Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the alert for screen distance on your iPhone. So if you have it too close to your face, you might get a pop-up on your screen telling you to hold your phone further back. So to turn this off, go to Settings. Then on the top here, we're going to see like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. We want to go to Screen Time. Then under here, let's go to Screen Distance, Reduce Eye Strain. Then simply just turn this off. Now this says to reduce eye strain and the risk of whatever in children. Screen distance will alert you to hold an iPhone or iPad with Face ID at a recommended distance. So at the top, just turn this off, type in your code, and you should be good to go. Just a heads up. You might also want to turn on night shift. So in the top right corner, swipe on down, and then hold down on brightness and turn on night shift right here. This could help with your eye strain as well. So you can have this on and then turn off the screen distance. And this is just going to put like a red tint on your screen that filters out blue light. So I like this on just for that reason. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.